Hola, ¿cómo estás? In today's video, I'm going to teach you 10 important and basic Spanish questions with answers. So if you're interested, stay with me. Number 1. ¿Puedes repetir? Can you repeat? In Spanish, you don't have to say please because Spanish people are not as polite as British people. So puedes repetir is definitely enough. However, it won't hurt to add please in Spanish, and then you would say, ¿Puedes repetir, por favor? Can you repeat, please? Can you please repeat? And the answer is very simple. You just repeat what you've just said, or you can also add sí at the beginning before you repeat what you've said. Number 2. ¿Qué significa? What does it mean? Example. ¿Qué significa un bocadillo? What does a sandwich mean? Very useful phrase to ask for explanation of a word you don't understand or you don't remember what it means. Answer in full sentence would be un bocadillo significa a sandwich. Or an explanation, un bocadillo significa una porción de comida que consta de pan con queso o jamón. Or you can also swap the verb un bocadillo es. So you can swap significa with es. Number 3. ¿Cómo te llamas? One of the very, very basic questions that even students in school learn during probably first week when they learn Spanish. And the answer would be Me llamo Justina. I've forgotten to add what it means. It means, what is your name? Number 4. ¿Cómo se dice X en español? How do you say X in Spanish? Example. ¿Cómo se dice flower en español? How do you say a flower in Spanish? It is a similar question to number 2. However, this time you ask for translation. You definitely want to hear a translation from English to Spanish. And the answer would be se dice una flor. If you like what you currently see, don't forget to subscribe, leave likes, thumbs up and comments, and I will try to make my best to make more videos, better videos, and to help you with your Spanish. Number 5. ¿Cómo se pronuncia esta palabra? How do you pronounce this word? Have you learned a new word that you're unsure about pronunciation? This is the question for you. ¿Cómo se pronuncia esta palabra? ¿Cómo se pronuncia X? Or with example, ¿cómo se pronuncia aeropuerto? If you really do not want to use the word, so in my example it is aeropuerto, just say it in English. ¿Cómo se pronuncia airport en español? How do you pronounce airport in Spanish? And the answer is very simple. Se pronuncia aeropuerto. Number 6. ¿De dónde eres? If you can hear that a person is not Spanish-speaking person, or you can also note that a person is not from your country because of an accent, ask this question. ¿De dónde eres? Where do you come from? The answer would be Soy de Polonia. Of course, don't forget to change the country. I am from Poland. Soy de Polonia. Number 7. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? In many cases, it is inappropriate to ask for age. However, it is a very useful phrase to ask for it. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? And the answer would be Tengo X años. Example, tengo 20 años. In Spanish, we say tengo, which is I have. We do not say I am 20 years old. We say I have 20 years. So, tengo 20 años. Number 8. ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Another very easy question. Where do you live? ¿Dónde vives? An answer would be Vivo en Inglaterra. I live in England, or a city. Vivo en Londres. I live in London. Or you can mix them all together. Vivo en Inglaterra, en Londres. I live in England, in London. Number 9. ¿Qué idiomas hablas? What languages do you speak? If you're passionate about foreign languages, like me, this is a question for you. ¿Qué idiomas hablas? What languages do you speak? If you get asked this question, you can respond, hablo español, inglés y polaco. I speak Spanish, English, and Polish. And of course, don't forget to change your languages. If you would like to learn how to say some different languages in Spanish, stay tuned because I'm going to make a video about it for sure. Number 10. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? What do you like doing? Very open question. However, every beginner of Spanish is able to answer this question. You don't have to dive straight into a long answer and you're going to talk for 5 minutes. You can just answer with one simple sentence and I'm going to show you how to do it. Of course, if you have enough knowledge, enough vocabulary, you can make your answer as long as you want. But I am trying to show you here that every single person starting with language, maybe this is your first lesson, who knows, you can still answer this question correctly in Spanish. You start with me gusta, which is I like, and then you add the activity. Examples. Me gusta dibujar. I like to draw. Me gusta pasear al perro. I like to walk the dog. Me gusta cocinar. I like to cook. Thank you very much for staying with me till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you learned something new, or maybe you just stayed with me to entertain yourself a little bit. If you like this video, stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next week. Ciao.